Hi everyone, today topic is the magnetic field of a solenoid. How can we find magnetic field of a solenoid? Okay, this is our solenoid, and if I turn around the solenoid with a iron core and I will connect with the battery, and we know all battery has two terminals, positive and negative, and always current will start from positive direction and it will turn around the solenoid like this, and then it will reach the negative side, and solenoid will affect from battery. It will, like with a magnet, always positive side like a north pole and negative side like a south pole, and magnetic field lines is for north poles it is always outside, for south poles always magnetic field lines is inside. And in this here also we have to use right hand rule. Okay, what is the right hand rule? Always your tips fingers show the direction of the current. Your thumb finger show the direction of the magnetic field. Okay, now on the solenoid I will use, how can we use our right hand rule? This is solenoid, this is my tips fingers, and this is my thumb finger, this is my right hand, and always my thumb finger show the direction of the magnet. My other tip fingers, look at, all current is going down. This is my current direction. If my thumb finger out of the solenoid, direction is like this. And what is our formula? We know always magnetic field symbol is B, and formula nu 0 multiply N multiply I over L. Okay, in this here, what is the L? This is length of solenoid, and unit is always meter. I means it is current and unit is ampere. N means number of turns, and nu 0 it is constant. Nu 0 is equal 4p times 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla multiply meter over ampere. And we know of B also, symbol of magnetic field, unit is Tesla. Okay, now on the example I will show how can we find magnetic field of solenoid. This is our first questions. We have solenoid, length of solenoid L is equal, it is 40 centimeter. I will turn with a connecting wire. This is my battery, and always current will start from positive direction, and current is 8 ampere. My current direction is down like this. If I use my right hand, this is my thumb finger and this is my other 4 fingers, and my thumb finger shows the magnetic field. And how can I turn around the solenoid with a connecting wire? N is equal 400 turns, and we know nu 0 is equal 4p times 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla meter over ampere, and p is equal always 3. Okay, calculate the magnetic field of solenoid. B is how much? Tesla. Our formula B is equal nu 0 multiplying N multiplying I over L. Which information I know, I will put into the formula. L, current, N, and nu 0 and P. Okay, nu 0 it is 4 times 3 times 10 to the power minus 7, and N is 400, current is 8 ampere over L is 40 centimeter, always 0.4 meters, 0.4 meters. And after calculate 4 and 0.4, simplify and 10 state, and B is equal, my result is 96 times 10 to the power minus 4, and unit is Tesla, and my direction is outside. Next example. Again, it is our solenoid. I will turn around the solenoid with a connecting wire. This is my battery, and current is equal to ampere. Length of solenoid L is equal 300 centimeter. N is 80 turns. Nu 0 it is 4p times 10 to the power minus 7, and P is equal 3. Calculate the magnetic field of solenoid. B is how much? Okay, B is equal nu 0 N I over L. This is my formula of magnetic field. Nu 0 it is constant, 4 times 3 times 10 to the power minus 7. N is 80. I is 2 ampere over L is 300 centimeter, always it is 3 meters, and it is 3 meters, and 3 and 3 simplify, and after calculate my magnetic field 64 times 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla, and my direction out of the page. Next example. This is our solenoid. Around the solenoid connecting wire. This is my battery, and from positive side current will start with a 10 ampere. Length of solenoid L we don't know, and N it is 20 turns around the solenoid. Nu 0 it is constant, 4p times 10 to the power minus 7, and magnetic field of solenoid also I gave, it is 48 times 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla, and find the length of the solenoid. Okay, our magnetic field formula for solenoid. B is equal nu 0 N I over L, and B we know it is 48 times 10 to the power minus 5, and nu 0 it is 4 times 3 times 10 to the power minus 7. N is 20, current is 10 ampere over L we don't know. And in this here 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 7, 1 0 and 1 0 extra has gone, it's simplified, and 48 is equal, after calculate, is 24 over L, and 48 multiplying L is equal 24, L is equal 24 over 48 and my result 0.2 meters. For today, that's all. See you next